Hey friends, just a quick recording on setting up your Facebook group page for Color Street. I have this posted on my private YouTube channel, not on a public one, so please don't share it publicly. It's just for us to use within our team. So you have to actually start from your main home screen on Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click home. And this is my regular home page, not another group page, just my regular home page. Then I'm going to scroll over here on the left hand side. You can see there is one that says groups right here. But if you look right below that, there's one that says create. So you can just do create and you're going to create a group. Okay. So it's going to think for a minute and you're going to name yours. Your Color Street group has to be specifically named. Okay. You have to put your first and last name, and then you have to put Independent Color Street Stylist. Okay. I wouldn't worry about adding any members or any names here unless it specifically asks us to do that. We're going to do that later. Okay. We are going to be creating a closed group at this point. So let's hit create. Oh, let's add at least one friend. So I'll add Viola. I'm going to go ahead and add her. Actually, let me add Sabina. Okay. Sabina gets a notification. She won't freak out. All right. So now it's creating our group. Okay. So everything that I need is going to be right here. Okay. So you can see this will be your first and last name. Independent Color Street Stylist is here. You can upload any photos that you want to. We normally suggest, you put some type of Color Street banner here. Those can all be found on the graphics page. Okay. And then when you're ready to add your members, you're going to come over here to the left. You can click members. Okay. And if I scroll down, here is where I'm going to start adding members. So you have two options for adding members. You can simply add current friends to be members, or you can come up to the top here and you can copy your link and then you can post it on your home page and then ask people to join. Okay, so you have those two choices for adding members. Some people don't like to be added automatically to a group page without being asked. So you need to think about that before you just go ahead and do it. So one of the other things that I like to do too in my group page is I like to, first of all, go in and I want to make sure here that all of my admin activity and everything is okay. I'm going to go back to About. Okay, I can add a description here. I can say, welcome to my Color Street page. I'm so happy you're here. Color Street is 100% nail polish that dries instantly, doesn't require any special heat or tools. So make sure that you put some information here so that when people initially come to your group, they'll know like what the group is about. Okay. So up here at the top, you can see I clicked this box that says more. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and I want to change the name of my group. Okay. Of my web address, excuse me. Okay. So if I just scroll down, you can see, so I clicked more. I'm going to edit the group. Okay. And you can add in any information here that you want to. I mean, you can be as descriptive as you want. You can put whatever tags you want. You can add locations. So if you want to put like your zip code or something in there, you can. You can even change the color. But what I'm looking at here is where it says customize address. Okay. Because you want to make sure that you get your address customized. Okay. So in here, you would put your first and last name. Okay. So instead of it just generating like a number. Do you see how it has a number up here? You want it to have your first and last name there. Okay, so we're going to put, it's probably not going to let me have that since I already have that assigned to me to my actual page. But do you see how it changed it right here? So like if your first and last name was Barbara Bozinski, see how it changed it? That way it's specific to you and it's not just this random number that's up here. Okay, so then after you do that, you're just going to click customize address. I'm obviously not going to click that because I don't need Barbara Bozinski on my group address. All right, so hopefully that helps you to get a web page set up for your groups. You know, once you have all of the settings and everything put in, then you're just going to start adding posts. One of the very first things that you need to post is information about what Color Street is. And on the graphics site, there are all kinds of pictures that you can put on there for that. Okay. And you also right away want to start asking people if they want samples. Okay, so don't wait until your kit arrives to get all of this set up. You should really do it within a day or two of like signing up. Don't wait, okay, because people will be excited to get your product. So anyhow, hopefully that helps you out. If you have any questions, you can send me a personal message or send me a Marco Polo if you have it. All right, thanks.